Hey guys, we received this hanging sliding curtain rods or the flexible things for test and try. As you can see, comes in this nice box with all the accessories. This is actually good, like if you want to separate two rooms or within a room, to put it in the sliding things on the ceiling, and then you can just put that curtain or anything to separate that part. So this comes with this heavy duty strip that goes on the ceiling with all these accessories and things here that you can use to hook and use it in the things. So you can just put it in the ceiling where it can have this rotating sole or the wheel where it can hold up the curtains, and then you can easily rotate that on the top. So these are the hooks that you can use to put in the curtains, and then this can easily go. So all the accessories and everything is provided with this heavy duty curtain flexible strip that goes on the ceiling, and you can easily separate two rooms or one room into the different sections with this privacy things. So it's pretty nice and high quality accessories things that you can use, and with a nice heavy duty strip on the top ceiling, and the things to use with the wheels.